kaying dorbar thau an kala sakhi ekipor ki bakhia mansim hadien baka voice of people party kala kantat ya ka jing ai jing jong ka expert committee ban bat bet ya ka rukom trekam jong ka Meghalaya state reservation policy khat khandai nyo po ar klem kanu ka jing Pynkylla uhe ka VPP ubadeiru MLA ka nongkrem u Arden Miller basayumot habara ya ka jing ya kren ka balingkot ulapan syai bakam syamladan kanu ka jing Dawa ban penduna ya ka bhah ka baladan lupa 4% na kabenta ki jaj bin riu garu haga jaka jong kata ula Tyrwa ban Pynkylla ya ka bhah Khasi syaka 40% kat ba ya ka bhah garu pat kan long 40% Henry hapo kasan 4% labu da kariti sensyar kari
feel that I need to remind this August House that though we are discussing a very sensitive issue, we are doing it with a great sense of responsibility. And again, I would like to remind this August House that when we asked we asked the government to review, we were not asking to take away the rights of our Garo brothers and sisters. However, we are here to present the fact before the government and the need to review this policy. I don't want to many questions that may be drawn from the report. However, I want to move forward and place some submissions before the government so that we will understand why we raised this issue. So, on behalf of the people and on behalf of the voice of the people, sir, we know that the people of Khasi Giant region are not accepting this recommendation, and indeed they were in great shock to see that the recommendation is to maintain the policy of 1972. So, and one of the main reasons that this recommendation made in this report is that there is an apprehension that if we review or change this policy, it might fail the judicial scrutiny. So, sir, this is a legislature where laws are made in the legislative assembly. And in many cases, we have come across that judicial will hardly interfere with the policy matters of the government. However, sir, I would like to go to the original reservation policy adopted in 1972. When you read this para 1 and para 2, you can, if you read between the lines, you can understand the minds of the leaders who framed this policy. So, in para 1, in pursuance of clause 4 of Article 16 of the Constitution of India, and keeping in view the inadequacy of representation